So we're starting on the mat in a supine position. We're going to use the band and we're going to take the arms up to the ceiling. So the hands are sitting over the shoulders. So now I'm going to bring the legs up into double tabletop. So just bring them up one leg at a time. Now we're going to tap the toes on the mat and at the same time pull on the band. So we take a breath in first. And as you breathe out, pull the band, tap the toe on the mat and return. Tap and pull and return. Tap and pull. Breathing out and breathing in. Breathing out and breathing in. So it's really important with the legs in this position that you're able to stay in that neutral position. So we don't want the lower back to arch. Okay, if you have trouble with that, you can always bring the legs in a little bit closer, bring the knees a bit closer to the chest. That makes it a little bit easier. Okay, so we can move it on a little bit. We'll just float the one leg down. We're going to do the same arms again. We're going to switch the legs this time. So we'll take a breath in to prepare. And as you breathe out, switch the legs and pull on the band. And again, breathe out, switch the legs, breath in to hold. Breathe out, switch the legs, breath in to hold. So it's a really good exercise to challenge your coordination, this one. So you're always pulling on the band as you switch the legs. I'll just do one more. And then we can lower the legs down. Now I'll put that band to one side. We're going to do active legs now. We're going to do our one leg stretch. And we're going to use the arms as well. So we're going to press the back of the arms, the back of the shoulders down into the mat. We're going to take a breath in to prepare, and as you breathe out, you're going to press those arms down. Slide that leg away, get it as straight as you can, and then slide the leg back in. Press the arms down again, slide the other leg away, get it nice and straight, and slide it back in. So my main focus on this one, as the leg goes out, is maintaining neutral again. So keeping that slight curve in the waist, not letting the back arch. So breathe out, press the arms down, send the leg away. Bring everything back to center. And one more time, leg goes out, nice and straight. Use those arms, bring everything back to center. We're going to send the arms back up to the ceiling. We're going to do the hip twist this time. We're going to work opposite arm to leg. So we're going to take a breath in to prepare. And as you breathe out, one leg goes out to the side. The opposite arm goes out. And then we bring everything back to center. The other leg goes out. Opposite arm goes out again. And bring everything back to center. So my shoulders are nice and relaxed, but more importantly, I'm trying to keep that pelvis as still as I possibly can now. So just the arms move, just the legs move, nothing else. Everything else stays nice and still. And when we finish, we can lower the arms down. Now I'm going to pick the band up again. I'm going to fold it in half this time. Okay, arms go back up to the ceiling. So I'm going to go back to those active legs again. Okay, we're going to see if we can get them nice and straight. So I've shortened the band a little bit more this time so that I can pull it. So once I've pulled it, I've got some nice amount of tension on the band. The hands are again sitting over the shoulders. I'm going to send the leg out and I'm going to keep the arms where they are. They're just going to keep pulling on the band. So as you breathe out, slide one leg away, get it nice and straight. Squeeze the front of the thigh as much as you can, and then slide the foot back in. Send the other leg out, squeeze the front of the thigh again, slide the leg back in. So as I work the legs, I'm keeping that tension on the band. So the arms and shoulders are still working, even though they're not moving. They're still working to keep that tension on. Breathing out and breathing in. Breathing out and breathing in. So we could do the same legs again, but change the arms. So I'm going to keep the tension on, and this time as the leg goes out, the arms will go overhead. So breathe out again, slide the leg away, send the arms overhead as far back as you want, and then bring everything back to center. Then we change legs. Leg goes out, arms go overhead, and bring everything back to center. So I'm still keeping that tension on the band, and I'm still trying to straighten out that leg as much as I can as it goes out. So once we're out fully in this position, just check, make sure you're in neutral. Don't let that lower back arch. Just want that slight curve under the waist there. Okay, let's pop that band back down. So I'm going to go up into shoulder bridge this time. I'm going to use the arms like I did on the other exercise. I'm going to press the back of the arms, the back of the shoulders down into the mat. So breath in to prepare, and as you breathe out, we're going to flatten the waist into the mat, lift the hips, and then just peel the spine up off the mat. Nice deep breath in at the top, and then roll all the way back down, finishing in neutral at the bottom. So we'll use the arms this time. I'm going to press the back of the arms, press the shoulders down into the mat as we peel that spine up. Keep pressing the arms down while you take that breath in at the top, and then we'll just release the arms as we come back down and finish in neutral. So we do it again. Press the arms and the shoulders down into the mat, peel the spine up, and then come all the way back down again, releasing the arms. And we go again. Press the arms down, peel the spine, keeping the pelvis nice and lifted. And then we come all the way back down. So we could move it on a little bit. So we're just going to do some little foot floats. So we're going to go up again. We're going to use the arms again. Press the arms down. Peel the spine up off the mat. Take a breath in at the top. Now we're going to pick one foot up just a little. Lower it down. Pick the other foot up just a little. Lower it down. So we're not floating the foot up too high. Just a little bit. I've still got those arms pressed into the mat. And now I'm going to come all the way back down. Finish in neutral again. And then I go again. So press the arms down. Peel the spine up. Nice deep breath in the top. 2 foot floats on each leg. Float one up. Lower it down. And then the other. So by using those arms now, it's just helping us to keep the pelvis nicely lifted as we just float the feet a little. And then we'll come all the way back down. Finish in neutral. We'll do it one more time. Press the arms down. Peel the spine up. Float the foot. And just one more to go. And then we can release the arms as we come all the way back down. And then we can hug the knees into the chest to finish off with.